5 hacks that can take away your everyday troubles. 1. To put a bracelet on by yourself, you just need an ordinary paper clip. Unfold the clip into an S shape and hook one end through the clasp. 2. Just put a carrot on top of something unhealthy in your fridge. This trick will make you think twice before you binge on junk food. 3. If you are suffering from a bad headache, just put your feet and hands in warm water and place something cold at the base of your skull. Your headache will disappear in a few minutes and you will feel relaxed. 4. Do you know a headache in different areas tells us a lot about the brain's needs? Pain in the crown of the head indicates that you have to eat or drink. If the forehead hurts, you need to sleep more and you are probably suffering from stress. 5. Put a brick in the toilet tank, which will help you use less water and save money.